Anybody can go catch big fish and mount them. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. Where'd he go? We got problems. Lauren jumped in to scout stuff out and just caught the biggest horseshoe crab I've ever seen in my life. We're gonna show you a clip of that. Then we're gonna go have fun again with the, what's it called? The, what do we build?
Slurp gun.
Slurp gun. S-L-U-R-P gun. Have some fun with the slurp gun. All right, we're at the Boynton Beach Inlet. This is Real Cool Adventures, and we like to do this on rainy days because there's nobody here. That way you can get inside the water, find all types of aquarium fish, anything you've ever seen on TV. It's all around here because you have the ocean, you have the fresh water, and everything merges right in the middle off of this seawall. So we're gonna jump in here with our homemade slurp gun and see what we can find. You're gonna enjoy this.
This feeling is waking me up, I want some of that, can't get enough. So walking the line day and night till I feel the rubs. Turn my soul on fire, and then gone by. I savor my love when I hit the ground.
Make him crawl on my back. Let's see if he bites. Oh! Ow! Oh yeah! So now it's a party. All right. Whew. Hey, children. All right, you ready? Lauren, what's up? All right, we're gonna show you the most cost-effective way to make a homemade slurp gun. This is a final product right here. This one's a little long and having to cut this rod with, but basically you're gonna make a handle here. You're gonna take this, you put this up against the fish, and you just suck them in like that.
It's easier underwater too.
Yep. And then you just put them into whatever you're gonna put them into, a bag or something like that. This is everything you need. We did this for $60. We made a pair of them. And the reason—
this one will only be like $30.
We got the my accountant here. So half of 60 is 30. Now we're gonna go take this out off of the inner point inlet, and we're gonna slurp up some fish. You just put this next to them, pull it up, and the fish come in here. Simply take your hand like that, and they can't go in there. There's nowhere they can go. You just go to a bucket or something, and you dump it down in there. If you're out diving, out somewhere deep, you would bring a fish bag or a mesh bag with you, and you just simply take it, put it in the bag, push it back out, put the fish and scorpion, whatever you want in there, seal it back up, and now we're gonna go test it out.
I don't recommend if you ever haven't ordered a scorpion, don't put a scorpion in here.
Oh yeah. I think that pretty much wraps it up. Now let's go have fun before it gets dark. All right, guys, set Cam and Lauren down in the water. What I brought was a ladder so that we could scale the wall. Now we're gonna slip in here and see what we can catch. Cam is feeling the effects of the cold weather. That's right. And I'm not in the water because it's cold out. So it's like a win-win.
Good thing Mike likes to come here on rainy days.
Mike likes to get out of the house whenever he can.
Rainy, cold days.
Rainy, cold, whatever. Let me jump up here. Oh! Man, I feel like I just did a burpee. Just did a half a burpee. All right, guys. So here's our stuff. My camera works terrible, but whatever. This is the scene. And what's going on right now is the tide just started going out the inlet. So it filled all this in with clean, clear water, but by the time we got here, it's about to go out, but we're gonna make the best of it and see what happens. So, let's see what we can get. Not too big. $50, I'll jump down there and catch that thing with my teeth. I'm gonna have to jump in there and slurp that bad boy. I'll slurp that minnow up. There's the part where she stabs the cameraman in the face with the thing. Told him I'd leave her here, she didn't catch anything. I see millions of fish from up here, I don't know what's wrong with you. I'm gonna have to get my mask on and finish this video, I guess. We're gonna take the microphone off, we're gonna play music to this because I'm gonna jump in and show you how it's done. It's going down right now. Right now. Not the biggest thing in the world, but he's in there. That's how you catch microscopic fish.
It's about that time.
Anybody can go catch big fish and mount them. Oh, no. Oh, no. No. Where'd he go? We got problems. Now we just turned into this to rescue the fish.
It's so small you can't even find him.
No. No. Now he's a parking lot trout.
Oh, parking lot sashimi.
Anybody knows what this is? You're about to find out.
And if it's safe to eat.
And if this is safe to eat, we'll let you know in the morning. Leave a comment down below if you know what that is. But as for right now, we're turning this into dinner. This is the first ever small catch, clean, and cook baby fish video we've ever done. Check out the next one. Tastes good. Actually tastes good. If I wasn't freezing right now, I'd get down here and eat the rest of these little minnows. All right, wiggling. Oh. Whew. There you go. In a previous life, I was part seagull. All right, let's go home and wrap it up. That's how to build your own homemade DIY slurp gun. And come to the Boyne Inlet where there's no fish in the wintertime. And the reason there's nobody here, we know now, is because there's no fish here and it's freezing out. So we're gonna go home. Ready? All right, I hope you guys had fun, because that's the most expensive sashimi I've ever eaten.
Street sashimi.
Yeah, street sashimi. Now I'm gonna go home and buy a barf bag. We'll see you on the next adventure.
Started out the bottom from the mud. Now I gotta jump in with the click. Rival mode, I came back with a grudge.